We'll be learning how to create this simple pop-up in Alight Motion. Now we'll create a new project. You will name it notification because we are trying to create a pop-up icon and also a notification icon for it. So now after then you create a project, you will add your shape, add the shape, you give it a color, then you scale the shape up, you scale it to composition, clicking the three dots at the upper right. Alright, now scale to composition. At this point now we want to bring in the icon. You are going to find the icon in the link below, so we'll provide the resources to the icon for you in the link below. Now I will select an icon. I will use a social media icon and I will use the Facebook one. So I'm going to send maybe 3 or 2 icons, so you can select any one and try to put this into practice, to practice what you're going to learn in this video today. So I'll be using the Facebook icon. I'll select the move and transform. I'll be using this Facebook icon. We'll be using the animation to animate the pop-up. You're using the scale, the scale. Yes, we'll be using only the scale to animate this. So we'll scale it down first. We'll scale it to the lowest level. So I'll scale it to the lowest level, that is 0.0 and 0.0. I'll add a keyframe to that. That from this beginning it should be 0.0. So I'll add a keyframe and I will move down and give it the other action, which is also known as the keyframe, and scale it up. So I want to add it, let me put it as 2 seconds, right? 2 seconds, and scale it up, which means this is the second action that I will dictate for it. So the keyframe is used to dictate the action you want it to occur from one point to another. So at this point it's going to scale up. Now we adding the curve now, but the curve we are going to use, we're not going to use the easing curve. We'll be using the bouncing curve, but not the bouncing but the elastic. We are going to see the elastic curve. We'll be using elastic curve for this effect, which is the second curve, or let me call it the second graph below there. Now I will adjust this a little. So I'll adjust it down like this. You can see as I drag it down, and let me see the effect now. Wow, you can see it's okay, it's popping up a little bit, but I want to make it pop up fast. I'm going to adjust the keyframe. Let me adjust the keyframe, bring it forward. All right, so let me see that now. Wow, you can see now it's becoming more faster. So the more you adjust the keyframe, the faster it will be. But the it depends on the distance of the keyframe, distance between each keyframe. All right, so that's for that. Now I will adjust my background. Let me bring in my background to the side to make it fuller. All right, so you can see this effect. So I've created a pop-up icon already. Now I want to create a notification icon for that. So I want it, after this icon is being popped up, I will bring in a simple notification icon also to hit. And we do know the notification icon for Facebook, which is always be red. So I'll keep bringing the yellow and adjust this to the edge there and scale it down a little bit. So this will be my default size for the icon. Now at this point I want to apply the effects, the transition. So this is my default size rather, and I'll adjust this to down there using the keyframe. So to it also we are going to use the elastic curve. Alright, let us use the elastic curve for that and adjust it a little bit. Adjust that line. You can see that. Alright, good. Adjust it. So let us play and see what we have created. Wow. So if you get to this stage, you have actually become an, let me call you, a motion designer already. All right, so you have understand the keyframe, you have understand the new curve, which is the elastic graph also. Right, now this point I want to break it down. Select all and click on the third icon below, which means I want to make everything to be equalized. The timeline between each frame or between each footage should be equal, so that they can add at the same point, whereby one will not be skipping each other. That's what I'm trying to achieve. So you use that third part to do that, and this is our end result to this. Now this point I want to add a sound effect. So don't bother, the sound effect also is going to be sent to you too. You're going to see the sound effects to this also. You're going to see the sound effect. So I want to apply the sound effects. So I'll go to my audio, select the songs, and add a pop-up sound effect and also a notification sound effect. Alright, so let me go below. So I have different notification sound effects. So I'll first start with a pop-up, with a pop. You apply the pop. So I've applied the pop sound effects. So this is the effect already. This is how it sounds. Now we want to add the notification sound effect after the pop-up sound effect. So I will stay at the circle edge because that is where the notification will come up. So that is where it should sound. So I'm trying to get the one I'm going to use. Alright, I think this one is okay. Alright, so this is it. I'll adjust it and let us see how it's worked. Alright, so you can see how it's working. Alright. Now this is how we can create a simple pop-up animation application. Now let us export our video. Alright, so here is the end result after saving the video. Here's the end result. So thank you for watching, and also I believe this is helpful. So do well to subscribe, like this content, and also share if you want other people to learn how to create motion designs using the mobile phone. Bye, see you next time.